Saber 1, Spartan 1, see anything?
Negative. No foot mobiles, no contacts whatsoever. It's been all clear over.
Just take a mic.
Let me know if you see anything.
Yep.
So everyone's going to be climbing up to Jules 6.
One's touchdown, unloading. Yeah, okay. One's all out. Spartan 1 departing the AO to the north. Gonna be hanging on the north side, RTB. Who's Dustin? I don't think so. Hey, we're gonna have to burn down fuels about the, yeah, fuels.
Copy.
Bird is completely empty on fuel. Spartan 1 swinging around, we'll pick him up.
That's Spartan.
Keep good eyes on them.
Yep.
Back, be advised, this is Spartan 2 flight, will be blowing in 30 seconds.
Copy that. Yeah, Mark, just stand by unless you put it on the timer, then I guess we're fucked. But just hold off on detonating it until it's all clear.
Roger that. If it's not on a timer, it's on us.
Copy. Yeah, who let me know when it's all clear when they push out of the area, and then we'll just blow it up.
Spartan 1 holding on the northeastern side of the AO, waiting for green light for controlled dead.
Copy that.
Passing up to your left, Canary.
Alright, let's start checking Nightmare's AO.
Confirm.
Nightmare.
First town looks clear. No heat seeks.
Alright, we're gonna get a little close.
Alright.
assume when the Viking clears the area that we'll probably get the green light here, so stay frosty.
Is there any friendlies near that area? Near this town below
Negative.
us? I got eyes on some heat
Mark 'em.
sinks down there.
Ten seconds for detonation, so just count down for 10.
Mark was the shift control left click, right?
Fire in the hole.
Fire.
Copy that.
Spartan 01, I just remembered what we could do is that we could sling load the Chinooks with other Chinooks with these models. We could have brought it back to base if we wanted to. I just remembered that.
I mean, we can bring another
I
one
see
out
3
there.
guys off to our left. 180.
No, I was just saying, like, these models you can
180.
sling load them
Actually,
if you're
yeah, I
using
see
the other
all.
Chinook. So like we could have slung loaded that item, that aircraft, rather than blowing it up. It would have been cool. I think we've only done that once where we have attached
What's
the
that
ropes and
objective
brought it
name?
back to base.
Objective is Corona.
Back, Canary.
Send it.
Hey, we're bugging out of objective Corona. A lot of small arms fire. It's lit the fuck up down there.
Copy that, Canary. We are tracking some mobile technicals within the area. Looks like some technicals, some heavy machine guns on them. Looks like one is mounted with a SPG in the rear. Over.
Roger. Track.
That place is fucking crawling with DI.
Moving in. Rolling. Remark. Rolling left.
You said remark to a circle location? No, never mind.
Say again?
Never mind. Disregard.
Canary 2 is on station and ready for tasking.
Copy that too. Be advised, we got some light armored vehicles and technicals within objective Corona. Appear to have mounted 50 caliber weapons and
Rolling.
got you loud and clear.
You guys, update on Saber's altitude. We are now at Jules 8.
Rolling left.
If I'm rolling left.
Taking some shots by NAI-1.
You're pulling thermals on the I do see like 10 times EI in AI1.
Alright, Roger, mark it. We know when it's marked.
Yep.
Make sure it's not friendly.
There is no friendly near that area, I don't believe.
In
Disregard,
NAI-1?
disregard. Yeah, there's Guardians at NAI1, never mind.
Look off to our right, there's a little bitty town.
I don't see anything in it.
Guinness,
Say again?
look in objective Guinness.
Negative setting on the EI.
Look in between Guardian.
have some heat seeks ×3 EI contact.
Get eyes on Cast 1v1.
Cast 1v1, where's it located at?
Corona.
I see a little bit of context, not exactly on Corona,
Hold
or
on,
the
break.
1v1.
Canaries 1 and 2, this mission is going to be you guys. We're going to have you come in from IP Alpha. Target is going to be some enemy infantry and 1x technical or 2x technicals in that area. Fuck them up with guns and use your rockets for the technicals if you need to. Over.
Canary 1 copies. Inbound.
Canary 2 copies inbound.
I don't see anyone.
Mainly in the center and at the start of the compound.
Raven 2 is en route to UV medevac.
Rockets on target.
Copy that, Raven 1. You are cleared all the way in. I recommend coming directly from the west. You can see when you get close enough, there's some break in the trees that you can use as some cover to fly in low. Over.
Raven 2 copies.
Just letting you know, Viking has entered objective Corona.
Canary 1 and 2, good job, guys. You fucked them up. See that shit burning down there.
Raven 2 is IP Hotel, moving to IP
So you come in
Alpha
for
for
Rockstone
LZ
over.
medevac.
Say again?
Try to find it, and then you fucking
Copy
nose
that, Raven.
down.
Yeah, just when you get in the area, you can kind of do a quick recon before coming in to land. Scout the best path for your approach. Over.
Raven 2 copies. We'll feel our way in.
Silver 1. Canary flight. If you guys got a visual on Raven 2, you guys
and hold until we get better.
Roger, I'm gonna start jamming for you across the boys.
Alright, Tango Mike, sir.
I got eyes on Raven. On the Raven.
Well, that's a little tight.
Jamming.
Back, everyone. Send it.
Raven 1, Canary 1's right above you.
Copy that.
Let me know when you're lifting.
Raven 2 touchdown. Frame's got all wonky right at the end.
Keep eyes on him.
Yep.
Canary
Raven
1
2
pulling off.
adjusting.
You're all clear.
Going past an IP hotel for LZD.
Raven 2's IP Hotel outbound RTB with 1 times medevac on board.
Roger. Should be clear from now.
Solid copy, Ravens. Everyone does is that north. Copy that, Raven. I'm gonna see if we can get a new LZ for redeploys, possibly a little closer along the flanks. Once this objective starts to clear up a little bit, over. Copy that. We'll try to establish new LZ redeploy. It's along the flanks. Are you back? Secondary back.
Alright, let's watch objective Guinness.
Eyes on friendlies inside objective Guinness.
Roger, roger.
Eyes on ×2 EI contacts inside objective Guinness. They're already marked.
Well, let's look up this road. Looks like there's a military compound in front of us.
Yeah, I see it. I do see heat seeks just off the military compound.
Roger, mark 'em. What bayonet is that? Bravo?
Bayonet Foxtrot looks like.
Roger.
Back, actual. Or, sorry, back.
Canary flight's getting fucked up by Bayonet Foxtrot military compound. I believe there's AAA over there.
Copy that, Canary. If you guys can't get eyes on it, the Saber should be swinging the turret around momentarily to start
He's
scanning the
fucking
area.
us up pretty good. We're bugging out of it.
Copy that. Canaries, this is FAC. We have located the AAA batteries in the northern side of Objective Guinness Break. Reference NAI 2. There's about 1 or 2 vehicles there that are
Hey, we lost our Canary flight is going down. We lost our engine. Defensive again. Yeah, we're fucking going down.
Copy that, do what you gotta do.
111-49er-9er. 111-49er-9er. Get out, get out. Hey, place your trigger to this. Don't set it off.
Triggered or what? I don't. That looks like trigger's already set to it.
There's a yeah, set your trigger to it.
Yeah, it's not won't let me. Let me just go ahead and set one of my demo blocks down. Nicholson.
Stand by, hold on.
Say again.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
11079er9er. Trying to find us on the map.
I see you Raven 2. It's on your right.
107-9er9er5. 10.
Canary 1, do you copy 615?
Don't answer. Alright, let's move.
Canary 1, do you copy 615?
5 by 5.
Roger, be advised, you have some anti-aircraft battery within the nearby village that you guys went down at, as well as a technical. So be careful in the area. Over.
Roger. I am gonna put a marker down, just pilot pickup, but we're gonna move, and I'll adjust accordingly. I don't know where the down pilot shit is.
Roger. Yeah. I'm not sure it'll be safe to touch down an aircraft in that area with that fully battery right next to you guys. You guys
No, I
can hide behind
understand.
somewhere and
It's just a mark. It's just a mark that I'm gonna put. I'll try to get to the local platoon.
Closest platoon will probably be Viking or Nightmare.
All right, let's roll. Let's try to find go this way. What the fuck is wrong with my controls? All right, we're good.
Canary 1 Fallen Angel, be advised that Saber's inbound gonna throw some rockets at that anti-aircraft battery from high altitude. Over.
Roger, we are headed towards Guardian's position. Actually, the NAI 1 area.
Copy that. Yeah, just make your way to a safe area. You regroup with some friendlies, and or just find a safe area and we can pick you up. It's your call. Over. Also, additionally, be advised that anti-aircraft battery is destroyed. I see it smoking. Over.
Roger. I am east of Guardian, about 1.8 out.
Low stamina on Nicholson.
Copy that.
My controls are all fucked up.
I got low stamina. Got low stamina.
Yeah.
Fucking hate this
Hang
new
out for a
stamina
little
shit.
bit. All right, let's roll. We'll stay here and hold.
Yep.
Alright, let's roll.
Canary 1 Fallen Angels, you copy?
I do copy.
Roger that. Be advised, Actual has informed me to let you guys know that if you guys can make your way to Easy Tertiary, somewhere along the line you'll regroup with friendlies and then they'll just do some security and we'll fly in someone in to pick you guys up. Over.
Roger, we are 1.3 out from EC Tertiary.
Copy that.
We'll be coming from the east.